In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add delivery instructions on Amazon. Whether you're trying to make sure your package lands safely on your doorstep or to give precise, helpful directions to your delivery driver, adding delivery instructions can make all the difference. Let's begin by selecting the items you wish to purchase. Browse through Amazon's wide selection of products, and when you've decided on the items, add them to your cart. Once everything you need is in the cart, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Proceed to checkout to initiate the order process. As you proceed, you'll encounter the point where you need to enter or confirm your shipping address. If you've shopped on Amazon before, your address may already be saved. However, if this is your first purchase or you need to deliver your items to a different location, make sure you enter the correct details. Now comes the essential part where we focus on the delivery instructions. You'll find this part of the process slightly different depending on if you're using a desktop or a mobile device. If you're on a desktop, be on the lookout for the Add Delivery Instructions field on the shipping address page. However, if you're using a mobile device, you'll need to tap on Add Delivery Instructions after you've selected your shipping address. In this section, you're going to provide any specific delivery instructions that you feel are necessary. This might include things like gate codes if you live in a gated community, preferred drop-off locations if you want your package left at a side door or specific porch area, or any special access details that the delivery driver should know about. These instructions are particularly useful if your home is difficult to find or if navigating your building can be confusing. After you've typed in your handy instructions, proceed with the checkout process by saving your instructions and moving forward. Double-check everything to ensure your delivery instructions have been noted. Then go ahead and complete your order. With these steps taken care of, you can be confident your package will end up where you want it, exactly how you specified. And there you have it. By adding delivery instructions, you've taken another step to make sure your online shopping experience is smooth and stress-free. Remember, even small details like these can make a big difference in getting your packages delivered just the way you want. I hope this tutorial helped you navigate your way through this process on Amazon, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy shopping!